What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, I have this tire stem kit. Now, these are the stems right here. These are the caps, and these are the drivers to get the stems out. Now, I bought two of these. I forgot what brand it is, but once I find it, I'll go ahead and post it on the description box, or in the description box. So anyways, my father-in-law uses my account. He'll ask me to buy him something, and I bought him a different one, and the one he got has a little casing and stuff, so I let him have that one, and I wanted this one. I'm gonna keep it in my car, in my emergency backpack, my tool backpack, but my emergency tool pack that's in my car. I always have something for emergencies, and I'll use this just in case, you have a slow leak on your tire. It could be the stem right here, just in case you don't know. Or if you just need it in general, you'll have it. So let's go ahead and open it and just check it out. And we'll do a little quick demonstration on it. And that will be it. This will not be a long review. All right, you got a driver right here. They give you a couple of them. Different styles, different sizes. All right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, and the other one. Then you have right here. So you have that. You have the caps right here. Little tire caps. And I think 50 stems. I can't remember. Like I said, I'll post it so everybody can know. Once again, for me, I think this was cheap. I think this was like $8, but hey, if you get the tools and stuff with it, can't beat it. Only thing you gotta do is keep the packet so you don't lose your tools. All right, let's go ahead and check this thing out. This is usually the same function as, you take off and then you put one on. Okay, you guys, so what you want to do is, you see the little gap in the middle. I know you could barely see it on here, but you got the gap in the middle, and then you line it up with that gap, go in, twist it off, then put the other one on, twist it on, and tighten, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Took that one off. Now we're going to put this one on. And as simple as that. Righty tighty. Okay, you guys, so this is the old stem right here. Basically, it's actually look like the same thing. So whenever you have a slow leak, flat tire or something, you may not have a hole in your tire or something, you be like, oh, why are my tires so low? It could be a bad stem, just to let you know. And other than that, I'm gonna take it back off. So I'm going to put this stem in there, and that'll be it. So y'all seen me put this. Oh, and it looks like it'd be better if I get a smaller screw. So y'all seen me put this in a car tire, and now y'all see me putting the stem into a bike tire. Once I stop acting like an amateur. All right, and it's tight. All right, now I'll pump the tire up and the air should stay in. Y'all see how So you have any question, comments, concerns, please let me know in the comments. But this is basic and simple. This is something just for a survival kit for me, as far as having something for my vehicle or one of my vehicles, just in case something happens. I could diagnose my tire by just changing the stem. And it's good to have these around anyway. For a couple of bucks, can't beat it. All right, you guys, like, comment, and please subscribe.